Fruit food containers are a great way to store and transport fruits without worrying about them getting bruised or damaged. There are many products available to choose fruit food containers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fruit food containers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fruit Vegetable Produce Storage Saver Containers. The Luxier Produce storage containers come in 5 different sizes to suit different storage needs. Each container comes with a removable drain to keep fruits and vegetables from getting rotten due to water accumulation. The containers are made of 100% BPA-free PP plastic material, which is durable, flexible, and odorless. The rectangular shape of the containers allows them to stack perfectly, saving space and keeping the pantry organized. The containers are also transparent, which helps to find stored food faster. Lastly, Luxier provides excellent customer service, promising to give back all cash if the product does not work. Number 2. 4PCS Fruit Storage Containers for Fridge. Freshmage fruit storage containers are a convenient solution for keeping your fruits and vegetables fresh in the fridge. With 4 different sized containers and matching colanders, you can easily store and separate various produce items. The sealed environment created by the sealing ring and locking buckles helps to prevent the loss of water in food, keeping your fruits fresher for longer. These containers also help in organizing your refrigerator, making it easier to find and access your produce. Made of food-grade, BPA-free PP material, these containers are dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe. They are also easy to open and close, allowing you to conveniently enjoy your fruits anytime, anywhere. Whether you want to store leftovers or prepare meals, Freshmage fruit storage containers are a practical choice. Number 3. Vtopmert Set of 7 Fridge Organizer. The Vtopmert Fridge Organizer set is a must-have for keeping your fridge neat and organized. With 7 stackable bins in different sizes, you can easily store and access your fruits and vegetables. The large and medium-sized containers come with a drain tray to prevent moisture and water accumulation, ensuring your food stays fresh. The clear design allows you to quickly see what's inside, saving you time and effort. Built-in handles make it easy to pull out the bins and transport them to different areas of your home. Made of high-quality, BPA-free plastic. Number 4. 28 Pieces Food Storage Containers. Keep your food fresh and organized with Kithelp's 28 Pieces Food Storage Containers. The set includes 14 containers and 14 corresponding lids, offering you 11 sizes to meet all your needs. Made of safe and healthy food-grade PP and silicone materials, these BPA-free freezer containers are freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe. The 4-sided locking lids and silicone sealing make them super airtight and leak-proof. The stackable design maximizes the use of your kitchen and pantry, while also being portable for office, outdoors, or anywhere you like. Number 5. 5PCS Large Fruit Containers. This set of 5 fruit containers comes in different sizes and includes a removable colander to rinse and filter out water, ensuring that fruits, vegetables, berries, and meat stay fresh longer. The containers are easy to open and close, making them perfect for storing leftovers or prepping meals. Additionally, they are stackable and can help keep your refrigerator and freezer organized.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.